Teachers Kuje branch. Yes, Nigerian Union of Teachers Kuje branch. Good. You are welcome. God bless you, sir. God has taken you here safely. Yes, sir. And by God's grace, we are going to accomplish our mission. Amen. God will continue to do this. Amen. Thank you. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
Thank you very much. From the National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, I can tell you that our concern here is that Nigeria is ranking second in maternal and child deaths. Even the countries that are on war are better than Nigeria. Yet, the primary health care centers in FCT has been closed down over a month. Nobody is saying anything about it. And like I said, we have over 270 primary health care centers in FCT, with only less than 130 nurse midwives in these primary health care centers. And I'm telling you the truth, women are dying, children are dying. They are dying because the health facilities have been locked down for over a month without anything. And then they are dying because there is no shortage of manpower. Like I said, 270 health facilities with only 120 or 30 nurse midwives. To tell you that some hospitals naturally they are under lock and key. We are here because we have a gross shortage of manpower at the area council because nobody has responded. Nobody is responding to women that are dying in the area council because they cannot access the primary health care center. We are here because the law has been passed in the country that the minimum pay, minimum wage for every worker, both in health sector and every sector, that is 70,000 Naira. Everywhere people have implemented paid areas, but the area council chairman in FCT decided not to pay the workers their entitlement. That's why the minister has intervened by releasing over 4.1 billion Naira. They refused and diverted the money. That is why we are here. We are here also because nurses, health workers put their life during the COVID period. They put their life at the yet their hazard allowances has not been paid. Nurses are particularly entitled to uniform allowances, but yet uniform allowances have not been paid. The area council chairman have decided not to listen to anybody. I think they get joy when people die at the area council. I think they get joy with the indices we are having from the global cities that Nigeria is ranking second at the maternal and child death, but yet they are happy that these primary health care centers are closed down. Okay, so our demands are that one, the government should recruit or area council should recruit more workers so that we can open up those area council, those primary health care centers that have no staff. Then they should implement the 70,000 minimum wage. They should implement the 25% per review salaries. They should also pay nurses their hazard allowances. There's workers their hazard allowances. They should also pay the uniform allowances and peculiar allowances and other is 40% peculiar allowances that we are demanding for. If they can do that, we will go back. And honestly, let me tell you, the shocking news is that globally or nationwide there is going to be a polio vaccination that's supposed to start, program supposed to start today, but yet the primary health care centers are closed down. There are no workers to go out for this vaccination. If nothing is done, FCT may record polio cases, and that will be very dangerous to this country. Thank you.
All of us go to the same market, though.
Chairman Nigerian Union of Teachers, FCT wing, Abuja.
What's your demand as to this house?
When we talk of demands, that is just one. The demands are numerous. These demands has to do particularly with our members at the primary school session and our members at the local government level. As all of you are aware, since last 2 years, we have been battling on the rights of our members. These rights are legitimate rights. They are not just privilege. They are rights meant for our members. But what we have in return is playing down to workers at the local government level and the LA level, which is not supposed to be. In series of our strike, we have pushed for demands of this sort, ranging from implementation of the new minimum wage. That is even backed with an act. It is not just a minimum wage that if any government feels she can implement it, she implements it. No, it's legally backed by the law of the National Assembly. But yet, our local government chairman refused to give us this money. We fought to an extent that we met with the Minister of FCT, and he has told us he is going to help in intervening and paying for implementation, which he actually did. But to our own surprise and dismay, this local government chairman collected these monies and went into this, shared it, and let the teachers and the local government workers pay it. That is surprising. They were doing intervention. The list of the local government collected as 560 million that could settle the implementation of the new minimum wage for every teacher and local government workers. But they refused to do it. They began to say the money was an intervention, it was given to them, it's an ecological fund, it's this and that. Yes, can the ecological fund not be used to settle personnel costs? Can't it be used? It can be used. But because they don't have us at heart. But when they come to elections, they want us. This time around, the teachers of FCT will demonstrate to them the colors of people they are. We don't mind. Even if they are brothers here or sisters here, those rights we are talking of, they are part of it. So we don't care. We have other issues on the ground. 40% peculiar, that has not been done. They are telling us in FCT here that local government or area councils universities are part of 774 local governments in Nigeria. What do they mean by that? Why are they university? Why are they collecting fat allocations? Why are they giving IGR? Why are they giving severance and everything? You don't want to show changes? You don't want the teachers to be in distress? We are the model. We have to model these children before they can go to junior or senior secondary school. And if demands, you see, in the first place, if you tell us you cannot settle our problems, you as a government, as a tier of government, you know where to go to push for that demand. It is not the teachers that will go to the minister and say, please pay us this demand. The local government chairman are shoulder with that responsibility of ensuring that they move to the minister and tell him our education is falling. What is the problem? He will solve it for them. But you cannot allow teachers not to have their rights. Our classes are dilapidated all over the hinterlands. How do you want the teachers to get there? And you are paying them just a stipend When you compare the salaries of a teacher at the junior secondary school and senior secondary school level, and look at that for a first school teacher, in fact, you weep for them. You weep for them. So they should implement all these things quickly. Quickly, they should implement it for us. If not, we will remain where we are. Teachers will remain where we are in FCT. And when they don't do it quickly, we are going to call our pensioners at the junior secondary school level and the senior secondary level to join in solidarity. I think we got that. So we are not leaving any stone unturned. They are very much aware of those demands of ours that are with them. They know them.
Barely few weeks to the current interest examination, and we observe that this strike
now, protest is to push in for demands of our members. We are not talking of anything, examination, workshops, and host of other things. What we are after now as teachers in FCT, we are on strike. Today we are going to protest in the office of the minister to inform you that the money you release, about 4.1 billion, that money has gone under the bridge. Water has taken it away. Yes. So he should look for ways of paying us another money. It's not more than that. Thank you very much.
This one, they spoil out for me.